Hello guys and welcome to today's video. So in today's topic we'll be talking about ChromeOS Flex, the newest member of the ChromeOS family. So ChromeOS Flex is promised to be flexible operating system that extends the capabilities of the ChromeOS with some great additions. So you can think about ChromeOS Flex as a web browser with a whole system with it. So like a super web browser, let's say. And Google promised that no matter what job you are working on, this system is made to offer the user a smooth experience. And one of the main reasons that people use or install ChromeOS Flex is that they can use their old unused laptop and bring it back to life with this OS, because it's very light and it could boost the performance of your laptop significantly. So in today's video I will show you how to install ChromeOS Flex, and I will tell you about my experience with it, because I have installed it on a very old laptop I wasn't using because it was very slow and simply unusable. So I have installed it on this laptop and I will tell you and if it's really worth it. So the easiest way to install ChromeOS Flex is by simply using Google Chrome browser and then going to Chrome Web Store and then installing the extension Chromebook Recovery Utility. So to use the extension, as you can see, we can go to the extensions icon here and we can click on Chromebook Recovery Utility to start creating a recovery media for ChromeOS Flex. So as you can see here, we need at least 8 GB or larger USB flash drive or SD card with nothing on it. So here in this section where it says identify your Chromebook, we want to choose Google ChromeOS Flex and then ChromeOS Flex. And here as you can see, I've selected my USB drive. And now as you can see, first ChromeOS Flex is going to be downloaded and then the system will be written on the USB flash drive, and then the installation process will be verified, and after that we'll be done with creating the recovery image. So now you can insert the USB drive or the SD card that you have just created into your laptop, and the next step is going to be to enter the BIOS of the laptop and boot the system from this USB flash drive or SD card. So here on the screen you can see the different laptop manufacturers and the boot key that you can press after restarting your laptop so you can enter the BIOS. So you need to restart your laptop and keep pressing the key depending on your laptop manufacturer so you can enter the BIOS. So after entering the BIOS, you need to go to the boot section. This might look a bit different on your laptop, but most of the manufacturers use a very similar boot menu, and then select boot from the USB drive or the SD card, and then you can choose or press F10 to save the new boot order. So the laptop will now restart and you will begin with the installation of ChromeOS Flex, and here you will be asked to choose a language, and then you'll be asked to either install ChromeOS Flex or to try it first before installation. In my case, I simply installed it immediately without any testing because I want to test it out simply with all functionalities and give it like a real test. But you can first test it if you want, and then maybe if you are positive about it, you can install it. After that, you can connect to your network and sign into your Google account, or you can also use the system without signing in, so as a guest, but the functions would be absolutely limited, so I wouldn't really recommend doing it unless you are only testing things out. So that's all for the installation, guys. I don't think that was difficult. I hope you managed to install it. And now I'll be talking about my experience with this ChromeOS Flex. Well, I've tried the system on a very old laptop, a laptop that I wasn't using at all because it was simply unusable. It was very old. And I've heard like different opinions about the system. Some people didn't really like it, others like it. The speed of the laptop changed significantly, and I was really able to use it. I was able to browse the internet, use YouTube, use different stuff. I even recorded a video on the laptop, and you know, recording a video on a very old laptop isn't an easy task, and most laptops will kind of freeze a little bit, or there might be some frame drops. But the laptop managed to record a kind of good video. I wouldn't say the smoothest video out there, but it was very well. Maybe the only negative thing that I have about this system is simply the privacy. I know that some people don't really trust Google with their data, with their information, and some people say that it's a giant spy machine, or I wouldn't really be using it for the most sensitive things. And in my case, it was better than using Linux Mint. I had Linux Mint on that laptop, but was pretty slow. And my final opinion is that's absolutely worth installing on your old laptop. So it's absolutely a great addition to your laptop or your PC. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you have any question, leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer your question. Or if you have any video suggestion for me, please also leave a comment down below.